Hello everyone, my name is Shimerjeff Madulara, and this day we'll be talking about the application of the determinants. But before that, let us have a learning objectives. So, what you will learn first, we'll be learning about the adjoint and the Cramer's rule. So, to find the inverse of the matrix using its adjoint and use Cramer's rule to solve system of linear equation with determinants. The second is to find the area and the volume, using determinants to find the area of a triangle and the volume of a tetrahedron directly from coordinates. And for our third learning objective, we'll learn about the lines and planes to test the points for the collinearity and coplanarity and derive equations of lines and planes using the determinants. So, our first theorem here is about the adjoint of a matrix and the inverse it gives. So the adjoint of A or the adj A is a transpose of A's cofactor matrix. If A is invertible, then A to the power of negative 1 is equals to 1 over that A multiplied to adjacent A. So example, using the adjoint, find the A to the power of negative 1. So for A, with rows 1, 3, 2, and 0, and negative 2, and 1, and 1, 0, and negative 2. So our first step is to rewrite in determinant in A. So that A is equals to 3 found by factor expansion. And for our step 2 is to transpose the cofactor matrix, which gave us to the adjacent A is equals to 4, 6, 7, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 2. And for the um, inverse, inverse is 1 over 3 multiplied to adjacent A is equals to 4 over 3, 2, and 7 over 3, and then 1 over 3, 0, 1 over 3, and then 2 over 3, 1, and 2 over 3. So try to check if A multiplied to the power of negative 1, then it's equals to 1. So the adjoint formula gives a closed form inverse. So always remember that the Gaussian elimination is usually faster by hand. Theorem 3.10 not just because it gave an explicit formula for the inverse of A, the same formula that Freeman's rule is built on. So I could further explain this in the board, but since wala tayong tools here or equipment na magamit, it is very difficult to siya explain. But I am trying my best to sometimes right tasks. For our next theorem, we have the Newton's rule. If a system of coefficient matrix has non-zero or determinant A, then the xi is equals to that ai over that A for each variables. So if you try to solve the 4x sub 1 minus 2x sub 2 is equals to 10, and then 3x sub 1 minus 5x sub 2 is equals to 11. Step 1 is to find if it has a unique solution. Since A is equals to 4, negative 2, and 3, negative 5, it is negative 14, so it's a non-zero, so there's a unique solution that exists. So our step 2 is to replace the column with the constant. So a sub 1 is equals to 10, then minus 2, 11, 11 here, 11 here, kanya, then negative 5. So a sub 1 is equal to 28y 15 times t minus 20, which gives us 28. And then a sub 1 equals to a sub 1 over the delta, which gives us negative 28 over negative 14, which is 2. So I'll use your solution here is replace in the column 2 with the constant I sub 2 is equals to 4 and 10 and 3 and 11. I sub 2 is equals to negative 15y 4 times 11 squared 4 minus 10 13, which gives us, so I sub 2 is equals to a is equal to over the a, which gives us 14 over negative 14 also, which gives us 1. So the solutions are x sub 1 equals 2 and x sub 2 is equals to negative 1. So this confirms since the a is not equal to 0, that's guaranteed. So I can show this right in the board, but I can show it here because this would show wala na ako siya nasilat. So let us continue. For the application of the area of a triangle in the collinear points, the area of a triangle with vertices x1, y1, x2, y2, and the x of 3, y of 3 equals the area of some difference of 1 and 2 multiplied to that x, y, and verse rows. If this determinant equals 0, the 3 points are linear real triangle exist. What it means kanang mag-triangle is if this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. Pwede siya mag-triangle. Siya. Tara, so since itong points ko 0 and 1, 2 and 2, and 3. So, ganyan. So, 0 and 1, 2 and 2 and 3, which is yung counting is 1, 1, 1, 1, which gives us 0. So, since itong determinant kay 0 man, ang collinear niya, wala po siya nag-triangle. Okay. If we try ang points na to, kanin 0, which is 1, 2, and 2, give us 1 gapon, and 3, 1. So, if we find the determinant, I think sa solving sa determinant kay ano na siya, it will be reported by the other teammate group mates of mine. So wala ko pa sa na-assign, but nato siya report. I think it's Arjana. So I'm focusing on the ano na lang ito. I will be focusing on the application, but the solutions are in the hand of Mr. Chan. Okay. So let us continue. So since that a is equals to negative 3, wala pa siya equal to 0 no? So value of triangle, which gave us the area of 3 over 2 or 1. It's okay. Let us proceed to the volume of a tetrahedron and coplanar points. So the volume of a tetrahedron with four vertices x, y, and z. So if you find the volume, that will be some difference of 1, 6 multiplied to that x, y, and z in the first row. This determinant equals 0 for points are collinear. Tetrahedron not just flat. So if we have vertices of 0.1, 3.5, and 2, 2.5, if we try to solve this, medyo taas-taas ulit process. But here, yung answer is 1 over 6, and then this is a 4 by 4 matrix now. As you can see, may upat siya. And then multiply by negative 72. 1, 6 multiplied by negative 72, which give us the potential. Since wala mo siya nag-equal to 0, so ato ang tetrahedron exists, which gives us volume, so we solve. Okay. If you find also the third determinant sa coplanar, so as you can see, the depth A here is equal to 0, which is the coplanar has no real volume. So let's proceed. Equation of a line. 2 points form a line. For example, that x, y, 1, x sub y, also 1. And x sub 2, y sub this 1 is equal to 0. Example, line 2, 1, 4, and 1, 3. Since we have x, y, 1, 2, for 1, shown negative 1, 1 equals to 0. We try to expand the cofactor along with the approach, which gives us x minus 0 instead of 0. Find that every commuting is good. Diba? So that point, if you try to imagine, we have the point from 2 and 4, which can be found in the quadrant 1, and then negative 1 over negative 1 into x and y. So negative x and positive y, which can be found in the quadrant 2. If you try to draw a line, so equation natin can be changed to x minus 3y plus 10. Ano to? Equation is line. And then if you try to have a 3-point form in a plane, syempre, tuloy ko po itong tawag vertices. So we have 0, 1, and 0, and then 1, negative 1, 3, 2, 0, 1. If you try to form this, inuling ko itong determinant of A is equals to 0, 1, and then sa ilalim si negative 1, 3, and 2, and then 2. So as you can see, if you try to subtract the column 4 from the column 2, then expand ang iyang cofactors along with some metro, which gives us to 4x minus 3y minus 5 is equals to 3. If we try to solve this, can read any word. I can show this in the class, but discussing here, so why not just stop it now? Why not siya i-defend? But here we could go properly, so I'm sorry guys. I have problems here. This teaching guys. So here the important things were determinants here. So application on niya, we have 6 applications built on same idea on determinants and answers. So first, A is irreducible. Determinant A is not equal to 0, and xi is equal to determinant A over I over the determinant A, which is the Cramer's rule. Find the volume to 6 multiplied by that because that's plus 1 as 0. Then the inverse of A is plus to 1 over A over just A. Area 1/2 times the depth uses plus one, and so on. And I hope so the gagawin is para I apply on the terminals. We have apply using the adjoint matrix. If I need to adjoin using the Kramer's rule and other